What is up, Uni Squad? It's your girl Eva, the Black Unicorn, and welcome to my channel. Welcome back. If this is not your first time here, today, as you read by the title, I am making black unicorn slime. I've never seen black unicorn slime, so I wanted to try it myself. Now, before I go ahead and start this video, give me a thumbs up for good luck. Subscribe if you haven't joined the squad yet, and let's get right into it. I'm going to be using contact solution, glue, shaving cream, some black gel here, coloring gel, and a whole lot of glitter, like a whole lot of glitter. Oops, well, I guess that was enough. All right, so we're gonna mix until this thing turns black, cause I need black slime. Okay, it's black now, guys. So I have this cute glitter here. Yeah, Indigo, all of it, because the black might make everything hard to see, pinkish, hollow looking. Yeah, I need all that. This is the blue one. We're gonna add this in now. The white hollow. Gold is just the color for us, so you gotta have some gold. Just in case the little glitters don't do the job, then I have these bigger glitters to, you know, stand out. So I'm gonna add these in too. I didn't mean literally, bro. Some black hollows. Last, the purple one. Yeah, so I just feel like black unicorn slime should look like a bunch of colors, you know, a bunch of glitter. Look at this, guys. This looks so cute. You see the sparkle in here? It looks like the galaxy. Ooh. Let's continue with the contact solution. A little at a time, Eva. I gotta keep reminding myself that because I go overboard. You guys, I didn't think this was gonna happen. We have slime, black unicorn slime. Do you guys see all that glitter in there? I'm not done with it. I feel like the glistening of it, the glitters, is not popping through enough. So some foam balls to add in it. Now I'm gonna show you guys how to make your foam balls colored like this. I got pink, blue, orange, and I'm gonna show you guys how I made it so I can get some purple. So we're gonna need some foam balls. You guys wanted to know where I got them from. I got these from Michaels. You're gonna need a Ziploc bag. All you gotta do is put them in here, as many as you want. Take the food coloring that you want and put it in here. I still can't believe my hand is black and purple right now. This is unbelievable. So we're gonna take the purple and we're gonna like put a good amount in here. All right, I gave it one good squeeze. That's all you need. You don't need too much. Make sure everything closed, y'all. And then just mix it like that. And then this is it. You get some purple or whatever color foam balls you want. So you see how it looks before I put anything in it. It still looks like a really cute black slime. All the glitters are still showing in here. You see. Now we're gonna add all of these. Alright guys, this is how my slime is looking before I mash it all up. It looks good, right? Ooh, galaxy slime, black unicorn slime, whatever I want to call it. Now let's start mushing it together. Comment below and let me know if you think they're actually gonna show, because I don't know. Ooh, I see it's turning white, which means the colors are vanishing. Wow. The colors have vanished, you guys. All the colors are gone. My beautiful colors. The glitters are still showing. I can't even do that cute thing that people be doing. Let me try. Alright, you guys, the slime, of course, it ruined my hand. I didn't know it was gonna do that. Like, look at this. Caught purple-handed, black-handed. If you guys liked my black unicorn slime, give me a thumbs up. Let me know what you think about it in the comment section. Don't forget to be yourself, be original, and if the crown fits, wear it.